Hello friends, in this video you can learn how to draw a pretty purse. The drawing is easy and step by step. Hope you like it and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to get daily videos. Thank you. We're done drawing and coloring. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.